wonder where Brett's at, man. We're not liking to be late.
M760 talking breaking news. It is the Brett Winterble Show. I've been quiet, and I gotta tell you something right now. I'm sick and tired of shooting the mouth off I'm getting out of Mark Larson.
Because Brett and I are going to go head to head, nose to nose.
That's right. Coming up on the 21st of September, we're going to have a shooting competition over at the GlockStore.
Let me just say this in the most humble way I know. I'm going to win this thing.
Mark, I know you've been working hard. You get up early. You eat your bran flakes. You eat your corn flakes. You're having all your herbal teas. You're putting your liniment on your body and trying to loosen up.
May the best man win. I want to add, may the tallest man win, because Brett says, hey, I'm fun size. I don't know if that, does that give either of us an advantage?
I'm coming for you, Mark Larson. I'm coming for you. Fun size, gonna roar.
What's up, dude?
Hey, listen, man, I'm really sorry I was late. I was stuck over at the station. I got held up over at the station. I couldn't.
What was more important than this, man?
Trash talking Mark Larson. I was trash talking right there.
Well,
Right
it's
there.
worth it, man.
Yeah, that's right.
You want to go back? I could give you a little more time if you want.
Ooh. Coming for you, Mark Larson.
Brett, sit back, relax, go to the spa, get real lethargic before Saturday.
Because it's on.
In it to win it.
Oh, put it through the same hole.
Does Brett do that? That way, does he have you do it for him every time?
This is the day we will have the shoot your mouth off competition. And that is going to feature myself versus Mark Larson. As you can see, Mark Larson has chosen not to show up. So
I'm right here.
Mr. Irresistible.
Oh boy. Okay.
Mr. Fun Size. He's been working in a room that is named Fun Size.
That's right.
I've not had a room named after
I thought yours was nap time.
A hit inside the diamond is what we're going for. That's 5 points. Anything outside on the paper is 3 points, and anything outside on the cardboard is a zip. That's 12-8.
So I'm using a 17, he's using 19. They're both 9mm.
That's correct.
He has the fun size version.
He does have the fun side.
It's a little more compact,
His mitts
more
fit on
nimble,
there just
which
for-
means, so that weighs less, so he could be more nimble. Will that add to his speed?
You're reaching back.
I'm just,
You know what?
Amazing run! 13.6. How'd you feel about that last one?
felt good, except for, I got outside the back there.
You have one outside. You had all hits.
Right,
You
and
had
I was a little slower on the uptake here.
Yeah.
You can step a little.
Brett won this one, and let me tell you what the score was. Brett had a 5.63. Here's what we do real quickly so you understand. We take the time and we take the points. So if you hit the diamond, it's 5 points. If you hit the paper, it's 3 points. If you're off the paper, it's 0 points. If nobody got that, everybody scored. And so we take that time or those points and we divide it into the time. And that's how we get the numbers that we came up. So we got a 5.63 for Brett, and Larson had a 5.07. So extremely, extremely close. And that was a great run. The last run was almost perfect. It was. Good job, gentlemen. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.